Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. To continue my quest of providing you the most beneficial products on the web, here is my newest review for today. Remember, if anytime you don't want to follow along as you listen, just click the link below the video to get directly to the product that I'm talking about. Now, today's product in Amazon.ca is about the ThermoPro TP03A digital cooking thermometer. It is instant read meat thermometer. The reason that you need this is, are you a novice barbecuer like me that keeps on burning or overcooking that meat? No, you really need this. Using this very handy meat thermometer has given me confidence and a way to determine the right temperature the meat was cooked perfectly. This is the one that you need. It's fast reading in temperature. You will know the temperature of the meat right away, between 4 to 7 seconds. It is easy, and you will cook like a pro every time. And anytime you will be a barbecue guru, trust me. It seems that ThermoPro is very good in their niche, because as you can see when you click the other one, they have a #1 bestseller also. It's a TP12 digital wireless remote meat thermometer. So you have the choices. Back to my first review. When you click the link, you will find out that there is 1,164 customer reviews and counting. So click it. You can click this one and browse and read more reviews from actual customers that is loving it. So go to my link below and find out why it is one of the Amazon's choice. And it has a high rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. So customers must be loving it. I highly recommend it. And that's all of my review today. Thank you for watching. Click that link below or subscribe to my channel for more reviews of the most beneficial products online. And have a good one.